In this lesson, we're going to look at something called scattergraphs or scatter diagrams. Now, many statistical diagrams show just one variable or one piece of information. For example, this bar graph here shows you the time people spent in homework. And this bar graph shows people the time people spent watching the television. What a scatter diagram does is it combines two pieces of information and shows it on the same diagram. We'll have a look at that now in this next screen. So this is a scatter diagram here with dots on it, and it's homework time versus TV time. Now the thing that a scatter diagram does is it shows a connection or not between two different variables. So what we have here is TV time against homework time, and one dot represents both bits of information at the same time. So if I look at that here, this dot, if we look across the way, it represents, say, 75 minutes homework time, and it also represents 50 minutes TV time. Okay, that's how you read it off. You just look at a dot and look down to see what this scale shows, and look across to see what this scale shows. Now from this we can work out things, for example, like does more TV time mean less time doing homework? Does less TV time mean more time doing homework and such? Right, okay, so that's the basic idea behind a scatter diagram. Let's look at this one here. So if we want to read off the information on this, on football teams, and we want to look at the weight and the height of each player. If we look at Ben, now if we read down for Ben, Ben is 60 kilograms and 180 centimetres high. If we look at Bob, Bob is 80 kilograms and he's 190 centimetres high, and so on. And that's basically how to read a scatter diagram.